Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about replacing Flat Bridge. Now this is Flat Bridge straight ahead. It is the oldest bridge in Jamaica. It goes across the Rio Cobre. So to the left of this bridge, they could easily build another bridge to go across the Rio Cobre so that it eases up the traffic on Flat Bridge. Now, Flat Bridge is a historic site and it should be protected. It is the most popular bridge in Jamaica, and as we said, it's the oldest bridge not only in Jamaica but the Caribbean. So this is the Boardwalk Gorge. It is the main road that takes you from Kingston to Ocherius, or from Kingston to Boardwalk, Linstead, Yorkton, Monique, and Ocherius. And it's also one of the most scenic places in Jamaica. As you can see, very beautiful. So we've made videos and talked about historic buildings in Jamaica and what you should do with them. But I think everybody is in agreement that Flat Bridge should be, well, it is a national heritage site and it should be protected. So it would be very difficult to build a larger bridge in the narrow gorge. So what they could do, this is just a recommendation, is to build a bridge beside Flat Bridge so that the traffic can drive on that bridge. And if you notice at the beginning of the video, there is space to the left of Flat Bridge where you could easily build a new modern bridge, a 2-lane bridge. Now, Flat Bridge is a single-lane bridge. As we said, it was built in the 1600s. That's how old that bridge is. And another thing is, it doesn't have any rails. So cars, unfortunately, have gone over the edge already. But to protect the historic value of the bridge, I think they should build another one beside it. And it's quite easy to build a bridge in this day and age. I mean, we have China Harbour Engineering Company in Jamaica, one of the largest contractors in the world, and they could easily build a bridge, a modern steel bridge to the left of it. Now, Flat Bridge should not be destroyed. It should remain as a historic site. So guys, what do you think? Let us know. You can leave your comments in the section below. And on a few occasions, accidents have happened on the bridge, and when that happens, remember now, Flat Bridge is a single lane bridge. So when a car breaks down on the bridge or goes over or an accident happens on the bridge, it blocks up traffic in the gorge for hours. We actually have videos up of a truck breaking down on the bridge. And you see how narrow this road is to get the heavy equipment to come in with traffic on the road. Sometimes it's very difficult and can take a few hours. Now there is an alternative route, which is Highway 2000 North-South Leg, or the Edward Siaga Highway. But that is a toll road and you have to pay to use that road. You can also go over Sligoville. So if this gorge is blocked, you have two alternative routes. But the drive over Sligoville is going over a hill and the road is bad. It's a tedious drive. Alright guys, let us know what you think about building a bridge to replace Flat Bridge and keeping Flat Bridge as a historic site. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.